Guys, got me here today. We have the baby born musical foaming bathtub. And mommy, look, I can swim! Wow, this is so cool looking. Let's open it. Let's take out the baby. Yes. Here's the baby. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Look at her hair. It's like a light brown, but it's so cool. And look at her swimsuit. It's so adorable. It has a flamingo on it. It says baby born, my little baby born. Okay. Oh, this will be so cool. She can actually swim. Now let's see what she has. She has 2 flippers for her feet. It helps her swim, kind of, and it has sun. Has the sun on it. So let's put it on. There we go. There's 1 flipper. There we go. She looks adorable, right? Flip, flip, flip. She has a orange comb with butterfly on it, so you can comb her hair. I'm gonna comb her bangs, just to make sure. See that? They look so cute. She's just so adorable. She even has pretty pink goggles to protect her eyes, so she can actually see. So let's put it on. Put it over the hair. There we go. Aww. She's almost ready to swim, but she also has 2 barrettes. There's like a bow. Both of them are pink, pretty bows. I'm gonna put one right on the side here. There you go. Wait, let's get. That's better. And also on the other side. Right over here. There we go! Yay! And she's ready to swim. Now let's get the musical foaming bathtub. Yeah! Ah! So cute! Here is the musical foaming bathtub. Before we let her swim, let's give her a bath first. Here we go. Here's the shower. This is where the water will come out, so let's spray her. But good thing she has goggles! And there's 2 pumps. This one's for foam, and this one's for water. Yay! Okay, let's get this started. The bathtub comes with a rubber ducky with goggles, and look! Oh my goodness, it's a floaty. Ah, it's so adorable. I think we'll float. Okay, but not right now. Until there's water, then we'll see. So the water, there's actually a line, so where you're gonna fill it right there. It's pretty low, but yeah, it's actually like 1 inch. So let's put it in. Oh, yay! She can't swim yet. Okay, so for it to foam, you have to have a solution. So we just used body wash as it, and we added water with it. And there's like this hole here, and that's where you're gonna put it through. It's let's give it the last parts. There we go, the last drop. And let's put the rubber ducky in. Rubber ducky. Okay, so let's put it in. Ah, it's floating. It has a hole at the bottom, so I think I can squirt it. Can I squirt it? It works! It can still act as a squirter. Okay, so time for the actual bath. Let's actually let it, like, water come out. So if you keep on, and the lights are on, and the sun, see? Yay! Yeah! So if you keep on pressing this repeatedly, then it'll come outside. Whoa! Ah! Get on the... There you go. A lot of water is coming out. But now let's add foam! So, okay. Oh, it's coming from the... Wait, where is it coming from? Oh, it's coming from the side here. See that? So there's like holes. If I push it. Ah! Clean the rubber ducky too. Don't forget about the rubber ducky. Yay! Add some more foam. Oh, it's only on this side though, so let's add some on the other side. Let's get some foam. Get on my hair. Don't worry, we can clean her face. Clean the face. Clean the face! But this is like only how far it can go. Oh, look at the water. It looks, I think the water's a little foamy because I added a lot of foam in there. But don't worry, we're gonna go to the pool with no foam. Okay, here we go. Let's go, baby. Ooh, okay. The baby has water sensors, so you don't have to turn her on. So when you put her in the water, she can start swimming. Let's see. Here we go. You have to make sure her arms are in the right position. One is up, one is down. So like this. And she has to be sideways. Oh, that's so cute! But she's not sideways. She's like this and then like that. Oh my goodness! Oh, that's so cute. She's not really moving that much though. Go forward. Go forward. Ah, that's so cool. How do you do this, baby? Do it backwards. It still works backwards. I think it's easier if she's backwards. Like on her back. Oh! That is so cool. See, she just stopped. Should I just take her out? And then she's in. Out. Oh, there. Woo! Let's do her sideways. Let's see if she stays sideways. She's kind of sideways. I'm helping you. Your water sensors need water. Let's start swimming! Okay, let's get her in, and I'm gonna go in now. He's swimming! Start swimming, baby! Is your water sensors not working yet? on, baby. Oh, go on your belly, not your back. Yay! Swimming baby! Come back. And then I'll throw the baby. That baby's heavy. I'm gonna let her ride on my neck. Come on, baby. This was so cool, and I really like this toy in the bathtub. And it's really cool how the bathtub actually gives foam, and I really like how the baby actually swims. It is so cool. I really like it. See? Look at the flippers. They're so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and below. Yay!